Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing how to install Call of Duty on your PC in 2023. Call of Duty is one of the most popular first-person shooter games out there, and we want to make sure you can get it up and running on your computer without any issues. So, let's get started. Step 1. Check system requirements. Before we begin, it's important to check if your PC meets the system requirements for the game. You can find this information on the game's official website or on the packaging if you purchased a physical copy. The minimum requirements for Call of Duty are usually operating system, Windows 10, 64-bit. Processor, Intel Core i5-2500K or AMD Ryzen R5 1600X. Memory, 8GB RAM. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 970 or AMD Radeon RX 580. DirectX, version 12. Storage, 175GB available space. If your PC meets these requirements, you're good to go. Step 2. Purchase and download the game. The next step is to purchase and download the game. You can buy Call of Duty from the official website or from other online retailers such as Steam or Epic Games. Once you've purchased the game, follow the instructions to download it to your PC. Step 3. Install the game. Once the game has finished downloading, it's time to install it. The installation process is usually straightforward, but make sure to read and follow the instructions carefully. Step 4. Configure your graphics settings. Once the game is installed, it's important to configure your graphics settings to ensure you have the best possible gaming experience. Open the game's settings menu and adjust the settings according to your PC's capabilities. Step 5. Launch the game and start playing. And finally, it's time to launch the game and start playing. You may need to create an account and log in before you can start playing. Conclusion. And that's it. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of installing Call of Duty on your PC in 2023. Remember to always check the system requirements and follow the instructions carefully to avoid any issues. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!